Apart from business, if you are a book writer, then you can create a book covers also. The different types of the covers you can select, and you can create a book cover. For example, you are writing some book, then you would like to create a cover page for that particular book, then you can use the create design. You can just type a book cover, select book cover. Once you have been selected a book cover, here templates will be shown. Okay, you can select the, depending upon what category of the book you are writing. Is it a inspirational, or is it romance related, or is it a thriller book you are writing, or creative? Okay, photo book, is it notebook? Okay, vintage book cover, black and white it will be, the oldest old style book covers. Okay, if you are like writing any comic and all children book covers. Okay, art book covers. If it is a cooking related book, then you can use this one. Different formats here, different templates are available. You can select the which template suits you most. You have to select that particular template. We can select one particular template which will give the authenticity, in the sense your book will have a much more like someone can connect to your book by looking at the cover itself. So we can select such themes here. You can select first such themes. For example, if you're selecting this particular theme, once you have been selected, make sure that you go to download and check, is there anything I need to pay? Yes, I need to pay here for $1, because some image which has a watermark, which demands a watermark. Okay, so this particular image is demanding a watermark. What we can do? We can delete that one, that particular image you can delete. Okay, now if you check download, it is not that. So we can check that one, is there any of the small line or image which demand a watermark. Then you can give your book caption here. Okay, book title here. Okay, then your name, book author name, and is there any subtitle for your book, you can select here itself. Okay, if you like to copy that same page, you would like to make it as a back cover. Okay, you can delete everything. Okay, like this, and you can say here about yourself. Okay, like this, what we do. For example, yourself, you would like to give the introduction about a author. You can write your name. We'll use one frame to insert your image, like we'll take a round frame. Okay, here round frame has been given. We have to insert some image. For example, you already uploaded your photo, you can use that photo here, or it is already there. Just for a demo, I will take a Gandhi. Is it any pre Gandhi photo is there? No. Okay, we'll take, but your photo you have to use. Just for the demo I'm showing it. You can select that photo and give it here. Like this, you can write your description, like select, add a body text, and you can start writing about yourself here. Okay, later you can change the color, text color here. If you like to make it bold, bold, like this. Okay, this way we can create a book cover. We can create. Okay, if you like to create any other type of the book cover, you can select. Just we have, what we have to do, we have to select a template. We have to select a template. We have to select a template. In case in template, if something watermark is there, that particular time you have to delete that particular image. We have to use different image as a background. Okay, you have to search for a images doesn't have a, if you go to download again, there is a paid image. Okay, these images are paid. If you have any images with you, you can utilize those images, so that you can create a book cover for a free of cost. If you go to download, you'll come to know that no, this doesn't have any paid images, so that you can use this particular thing as a for your book cover. Here you can edit your title, subtitle, your name, any quotations you can give it for your book, so that it will be give the most of the time to create a book cover itself will take a time. So you will get a basic idea for what are the things I can do, what are the things I can include in a my book. At least you will come to know that okay, how can I design the cover. Okay, later you can change the images, everything you can select and delete, and you can start inserting a image, whichever the image you like you can insert there. Okay, if you like to insert your own, like that you can change the things. For example, entire thing if you like to mask, what we can do, select here, select one square. Okay, what I will do, I will select here, from here I will move like this, and later I selected that one, go to here, and like this we can mask with a different color. It will give much more, it will give a better visualization for the cover. Like this we can mask, and we can change the transparency, so that you will be having a different look for your entire book. Okay, this way we can create a book cover.